Sir, in Budameru, we saw how drones were deployed. For cyclone also, do you think we will need some kind of special measures to be taken, for these kind of calamities to be averted and make it easier for the public?
There is a legacy problem with the Assam. Today, this cyclone is key. We are having real-time governance. Tomorrow, I am going to explain to you how we are monitoring rainfall, flood management, even thunderbolt protection, deploying officers to last mile, and bring awareness, everything like that. Because of all those things, we are able to reduce the death. I made it very clear, no cash loss. Zero deaths, that is our motive, that is how we work, only 2 or 3 per report. Second thing, we have to reduce the total loss. Either houses also this time, if you see, very less houses, 112 like that, houses were damaged. Even cattle damage is very less. Only fields. There are historical problems in the fields, or drainage is not going freely, so many problems. We are going to work.
So yet again, calamities